Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube thumbnail using your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now on the screen you can see there's a small plus sign at the bottom. Tap on it and on the search bar, type in YouTube thumbnail. Select YouTube thumbnail option and in a few seconds, Canva is going to give you some thumbnail suggestions. You can select one of these templates and add your own titles and picture, or you can select blank canvas and make your own. I'm going to choose this background, and from elements, I have to look up frames. Then I'm going to take this frame. Okay, I'm going to drag it here. Now again from elements, I can choose few photos that I can use. Now I'm gonna type in a Hayden. You can add any number of pictures or any type of pictures relevant to your content. You can edit your text, have more fun with it. And guys, that's it. That's how you create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.